Welcome everyone. In today's video, I want to talk about 10 reasons why Aweber might be the right email marketing software for you. First reason that Aweber might be the right software for you is that it has a very user-friendly interface. If you can come down to the broadcast section, as you can see, when you go to start making a message, it gives you different options like a drag and drop editor, plain text, or an HTML editor if you're more advanced. And at any time, if you don't know what to do, you'll find plenty of these little videos and articles built into the system that you can watch before you try to make your email. Second reason Aweber might be right for you is that it offers plenty of powerful automations. Anytime I send out a blog post or a YouTube video, it will automatically send out a message to all of my subscribers. Here, if I click on this, you can see the steps that it will go through in order to do that process. These automations come pre-built by Aweber, and then all you have to do is customize it for your need. The third reason Aweber might be right for you is it has an extensive list of templates that will help you to make emails and landing pages. For example, if I come over to create new message, I have different options like a drag and drop editor, a smart designer, plain text editor, or an HTML editor if you're an advanced coder. For example, let's check out the Smart Designer. All I have to do is paste in the URL of my website, and the AI will create a template that will be suited for my website. So I'm just going to copy the URL and then paste it in and create my template. So it will ask you questions so that you can customize your template. And then it will give you template choices. So here you can see it included the logo, some space in the middle, and then a footer at the bottom. And then you can go through all of the different choices and see which one would work best for what you want to do. So that's pretty cool. It's a quick way to get a lot of ideas on how to make your template look good. Let's say I choose this one. You can save it to your templates. And the next time you need to create an email, you're all set and ready to go. You just customize this template. And as you can see, you have drag and drop options. So if I want to add an image to the top, I just click and drag it, and it's very simple to put in. Another cool tool is they have this magic URL. Alright, one thing you can do is if you insert a text box and you paste in a URL, hit enter, you have choices here. You can make this into a button, you can turn it into a preview, so let's try that. So here is the preview that was automatically generated from the link. So instead of just putting in links, you can put in these really nice previews. Also, you have AI. So let's say you're not sure what to write about. All you have to do is click the / and then write with AI. Type in something. And then the AI will write for you. And if you like what it said, you can just click add to the message. And here, this whole section was automatically generated from AI just because I told it write something about email marketing. So there's a lot of powerful tools in here that you don't find in very many email marketing software. Fourth reason Aweber might be right for you is that they have a very high email deliverability rating. That means that when you send emails, they're actually going to get to your customers and not end up in some spam folders. Here you can see that ActiveCampaign in this case has the highest rating at 79.92%, but they're a fairly expensive software. If you look at Aweber, they're next at 79.24%, and they're a bit of a bargain for what you're getting. The fifth reason you might want to use Aweber is because of their extensive segmentation options. Here you can see you can use tags, and by creating different segments in your audience, you can send emails to just the right people, and that will improve your open rates. The reason you might want to use Aweber is because they have powerful integrations. Here you can see all kinds of options that you can integrate into this software. Places like ClickFunnels, PayPal, WordPress, Etsy, Facebook, Stripe, Thrive, Elegant, Groove Apps, and Lead Pages, and many more. No matter what other software you're using, chances are that you'll be able to integrate it with Aweber. The seventh reason you'd want to use Aweber is because it offers comprehensive reports and tracking. Unfortunately, this is a premium feature and you must upgrade before you can get to this, so I'm not going to be able to show it to you right now. The eighth reason Aweber might be right for you is that they offer outstanding customer service. Here you can see they have a lot of Google reviews and all of them are very positive. Not only that, here's why. When you come onto their help section, you can see that they offer support through email, through live chat, and over the phone. Usually nowadays, most software companies just offer email support, and the good ones will offer the live chat support. Very rarely nowadays do you get any that will offer phone support. So Aweber is a winner as far as customer service goes. The ninth reason Aweber might be right for you is A/B split testing. In this case, it is a premium feature. It allows you to test out different email subjects, different content, different images, and all to optimize your campaigns to make sure you're getting the best return on investment. 10th reason you might want to use Aweber is that they have very competitive pricing. We've been looking at the free plan in this video, and as you can see, there are some sections that you don't have access to until you go up to the paid version. Now, they do offer a light version with up to 500 subscribers, and here you can see you get 1 email list, 3 landing pages, and 3 automations, and 3 users. And that may be fine for a beginning business, but where most people are going to want to go is to the Plus plan, because that one offers unlimited lists, unlimited landing pages, and unlimited automations. And this is where you're going to be able to use this to grow your business. In conclusion, I hope you found that these 10 reasons helped you to decide if Aweber is right for you. As you can see, its ease of use and competitive pricing and high deliverability rate will help your business to grow and to convert more sales. I'll put a link down in the description if you want. You can check it out for yourself. Please also remember to like, share, and subscribe. And hey, guess what? There's another video here you can check out